Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I'd like to share with you some pre-birthday gifts because February is my birthday month and my birthday is late next week. But I've been opening some gifts, so I thought I'd share with you. The first thing is these two little charms. So they're both, of course, Louis Vuitton. So the luggage tag, you can see there, it says Beverly Hills. You can see all the nice detail with the gold foil. And then the second tag is this rabbit charm from Jeff Koons from the 2017 Masters collection. It is, isn't it like so cute? I found that one like definitely over a month ago, and just been waiting to put it on my Damier Azur Speedy. I think these two look really good together. So, and I just, of course, you know, I love the pink, right? I was also able to find this cadena from Hermes, and it's the Pegasus from 1993. And you know me, I buy cadenas and bag charms without the bag. So I don't have the bag yet, but this took actually such a long time to find. So I'm really looking forward to finding a bag for that. And it even came with the vintage dust pouch, because it had obviously a box and everything in it. Okay, what's next, guys? I'm crossing this off my wish list. This is the Hermes Bolide 31 1923 collection. This bag was introduced in 1923 because it was made to fit in the boot of the cars in that time period. And I just, the details on this bag are just really good. I'm going to come over here and stand up, guys. So it has the clochette and then the leather wrapped lock. Guess I should get my fingers out of the way, right? So it does need to be obviously taken to the bag spa. The date code on this is the K with the square, so it is from 2007. Now it was listed as in good condition. What I found was, and it was also saying that the handles, it didn't say dirty, it said another word, discolored, I guess, something like that. So hang on. So I'll just show you like what one handle looks like there. Now I'm not a twilly person actually, but this handle seemed to be worse off. I'll take it off and I'll show you. But I found this twilly on, I think it had to be Amazon, but I just love the leopard print, and then one side you have Paris and the other one you have France. So I think it complements this bag really well. This is made out of Swift leather, and it's so nice because it has the front pocket, so you can put, this is, you can put an iPhone, that's an iPhone 13, fits in there perfect. I'm pretty sure it might fit a bigger phone. If I put it sideways, it fits, guys. The back has no pocket, and it's got the two zippers. And then inside, what is really nice, guys, is it is completely leather lined. So now the inside of the bag, let's stamp there. I think I'm getting that. Hermes Paris, made in France. It's also in the silver, so it's silver hardware. And it has, as you can see here, one back pocket, and that is it. And then that's how big it is. Okay, here's the bag without the twillies, which I actually prefer. I prefer a really clean look to my bags. You know, whether or not I hang some charms is another thing. I'll just do a close-up so you can see the handles here. So there's, you can see at the top. And I'm actually going to try and clean this Swift leather. I've been reading up on it. But yeah, I can even notice, like, right away there's quite a bit of dirt. So hopefully I'll be able to get that clean. And I'll just do a close-up, guys. Here. There's the side, the back, the side. Oh, and it has 5 feet, guys. So that is actually really nice. I like, you know me, I like bags with feet. So I'm really happy to cross this one off my wish list. I love white bags, and I don't know. I love everything about this bag, and that it's open, and I especially love the clochette and the leather lock. So I am going to enjoy, you almost dropped it. I'm going to enjoy using this bag. So about my wish list, I went to try on that Blue Payon Birkin 35, and it just wasn't for me. The color was beautiful, don't get me wrong, but the color in person, for me, it wouldn't work for me. And then on another one was the Constance Elan 25, I believe. Now that was a beautiful purse. I was able to try that on. And just so you know, when you go into these pre-loved boutiques, you're expected to wear gloves and, you know, things like that. So, you know, I did. And I didn't take any pictures or photos, because if I wasn't going to buy it, I wasn't going to ask them to, you know, I wasn't going to take pictures if I wasn't going to buy it. And when I was trying this stuff on, I actually wasn't sure. So I tried on the Constance Elan 25, and even though it was a gorgeous, gorgeous bag, it was really small on the inside with the divider. So I could just picture me having issues. You know, I tend to carry a lot more stuff, and maybe as a, you know, grab and go bag, that would be okay. So now that those 2 items are crossed off my wish list, I am looking for another Birkin. I kind of found one that I'm interested in, so we'll see what happens. I've also been cleaning my dressing room and going through the bags that I really haven't worn or used, and every year I kind of, you know, look at them and, you know, make a list in my head, like, you know, why am I ever going to use it? And I've decided to sell two of my Chanel bags. I feel like if I'm going to bring in 2, you know, this bag and my birthday bag. So let's do some mod shots with this beauty. And the dress that I'm wearing today, I made many years ago. It's from a Vogue pattern, and it's a very simple dress. I was a beginner sewer, only had like a few years sewing, and it was easy to sew. I did the I did the hem in orange, and I put a nice pink and white button at the back. Maybe I should show that, because it won't show on the, let's see. Can you guys see? Am I up close enough? That's the button there. Okay, so let's do some mod shots, guys. Now this dress would be nice if I was outside, with a nice breeze, and the dress would flow like this. And then my necktie would be flowing in the wind, but it's raining, guys. So I got to deal with what I got to deal. These lovely shoes are from Amazon. I have a similar pair in multicolor. I just think they look fabulous and they are comfortable. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.